Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Here we go. Nothing beats a bowl of homemade chicken noodle soup, made completely from scratch. In this video, I'll show you how to build deep, rich flavor using a whole chicken, fresh vegetables, herbs, and tender egg noodles, the ultimate comfort food. This classic soup is perfect for cold days, sick days, or anytime you want something warm and nourishing. Simple ingredients, timeless technique, and unbeatable flavor. First, we gotta break down a whole chicken. There's lots of videos out on the internet on how to do that. Then we're gonna chop up our onions and chop up our celery and the carrots too. Then we're gonna finely chop some parsley. Okay, we're going to heat our olive oil in a large stainless steel pot over medium heat. Once that's warmed up, we're going to add the chicken pieces and cook until lightly browned on all sides. Then to the same pot, we're going to add our diced onions, celery, carrots, and a pinch of salt. Then we're going to pour in our water or chicken broth if that's what you're using, and scrape the bottom of the pot to release all that flavor. Okay, then we're going to add our bay leaf and thyme, rosemary, and black pepper. And we're going to bring that up to a gentle simmer. Then we're going to reduce the heat and cook it uncovered for 60 minutes. Then we're going to remove the chicken meat and let it cool until it's cool enough to handle. Then we're gonna shred the chicken, discard the skin and bones, or you can keep those for your next pot of stock. Then we're gonna return the shredded chicken to the pot. Add in the egg noodles and cook for 6 to 8 minutes until the noodles are tender. And we're gonna taste and adjust for seasoning like salt and pepper, and finish with some fresh parsley. Alright, you want to serve that up while it's still really hot. So there you have it. Chicken noodle soup. Enjoy! The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.